Here we have a Swift Conqueror 560, a 2016 registered single axle caravan that comes with status TV aerial, a motor mover, there is a solar panel and a barbecue point. And this caravan comes with the manufacturer's warranty remaining. This offers a great caravan for couples or a family, and is in good condition and comes with good specification. The layout offers facing lounge seats, and this can be used as a bed for friends, family or guests. The kitchen to this 560 comes fully equipped with a 3 gas hob and hotplate, an oven and grill, a microwave oven above and a slimline fridge freezer opposite. We also have an omnivent. On board you also have the comfort of the Alde central heating, making this a caravan for all weathers. This 560 gives you a washroom full width before the end bedroom. Making this accessible from both sides of the caravan. The bedroom gives you your island bed and this has his and hers wardrobes and a place for a TV. Come along to John Amott Leisure or speak to one of our sales team to find out all about the features and benefits of this 2016 Swift Conqueror 560.